Hey everyone, welcome to this brief tutorial on how to take notes from a distance. So whether you're absent or whether our learning model changes to hybrid or distance learning, this is how you are going to take your notes for my class. So generally, each week there's going to be 1 or 2 days where we are watching videos or we're learning lecture material and content. And to help you kind of absorb that information and know what is most important, we're going to continue using these cheat sheets like we do in class. So I'm going to show you how to fill this out. You'll want to make a copy of the cheat sheet, and I believe Google Classroom will automatically do that for you the way I have it set up. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to type your name here. So for me, Mr. Ramstead, and this would be second hour because it's animal science. So what we'll do is we just simply watch the video in a different tab. And as I am talking, you will go ahead and fill in the blank. So processes of which is food is taken in and absorbed into the body, and I do not have these blanks memorized, in the repair for vital processes. Okay, so just fill in the blanks like that, just so I know that you watched the video, and this is a good tool for any students who are absent as well, just so you kind of understand what you missed or what you may not have seen in class. And I will upload all of the videos for our lecture materials in little short snippets, so like probably 3 to 5 minutes max, and then I'll upload it as a playlist so you can actually go through and watch those videos. And I'm going to move pretty quick in the videos because I know that you can pause or you can watch me on half speed or 0.75 speed. But if you ever have any questions, just let me know. When you have finished the cheat sheets, some of them I may actually collect for points. I will give you some more instructions on that as we get closer to the nitty-gritties, but what you can do then is just submit it through Google Classroom, and I may just give out a couple participation points just for filling out the note sheet. It's going to be really important, especially if we do switch learning models, that you do keep up with our materials, because I'm going to assume that you watched the videos and that you caught up with the content before you come into class. So we're going to stop there. This is just, like I said, a brief tutorial to show you how to fill in the note sheets, and you'll just go through all of them and fill in all of these little blanks here. And that should be it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.